Buying your first home used to be a rite of passage, but with rising costs, many potential home buyers are feeling priced out. So, some are looking at a different option.
Co-ownership is becoming super popular because it's a great way to match our sort of modern lifestyles to housing requirements today.
Co-ownership is when two or more buyers team up and purchase a property together, inviting people to pool resources to help enter or move up in the housing market.
The biggest financial gain for me is right now we're experiencing a huge downturn in the condo market. So $1 million house is gonna overall, in the long term, be a much better investment.
The Toronto Regional Real Estate Board expects the average price for a detached or semi-detached home in Toronto to hover around $1 million this year.
Some of our consumer polling, has suggested that people are looking for, different ways. Number one, to accumulate a larger down payment, given home prices, but also obviously to carry those payments over the longer term.
It costs a lot of money. That's why Perimel Gosai co-founded Husmates, a platform that matches potential buyers with others who are looking for similar properties.
Co-ownership in the way that Leslie and I and Husmates is doing it is really about bringing intentional community to as the sort of like base that you're building from.
So you think you found someone that you can manage and share a property with, but there's much more things to consider with home ownership than personal compatibility. And one lawyer says establishing a co-ownership agreement could help.
It's a business prenuptial agreement. You hope that there aren't any disputes, but if they are, you've laid it all out, how you're going to deal with it, if you're going to go to court, arbitration, who your arbitrator is going to be, everything is spelled out.
Walker says these agreements minimize disputes and potential legal costs and could even salvage personal relationships, especially if co-buying with family or friends.
It's very expensive to live here, can build your credit by owning a property with someone else, and that might work out that way, but have to think about the disadvantages and how to deal with that as well.
For homeowners considering co-ownership as a path to home ownership, it's important to consider as many future issues as you can before signing on that dotted line. Beverly Andrews, City News, Toronto.